Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Mr. Chikwala PVC blinds for my outdoor area. I really needed this because rain used to splash right on my front door. I first asked a local supplier for a quote and they wanted 7,000 rupees for the blind and installation, which felt a bit high. So I checked Amazon and found these blinds measuring 4 feet by 7 feet for just 2,500 rupees. During the Great Indian Sale, you could even get them for just 2,000 rupees. The blinds came all rolled up and protected, so I'm pretty sure they're safe from damage. But wow, that shrink wrap was a bit of a challenge to remove. It took me a while and I was really careful not to cut too deep and hurt the blinds. Inside the box, we have got some hardware like this back plates and L angles for installation, plus screws and wall plugs. The rolling mechanism is built into this aluminium channel. This channel has 2 holes at either ends for securing the L angle. Let's take a close look at the hardware. We have a bit of excess hardware here, which is nice. Now we need to drill holes in the wall for the L angles. First, I'm matching the drill bit with the wall plugs to pick the right size. I'm locking the drill bit into the drill and tightening it up. Next, I will mark the drill bit to make sure I don't go too deep when drilling. Then, I measure the pitch from the aluminium channel to ensure the L angles are at the right distance. I have marked where to drill on the wall. Let's do this. Honestly, I don't have much experience with drilling, so I'm a bit nervous. First, I took a screw and marked a small dot on the wall to help the drill bit not slip. A great tip: start with a smaller drill bit to make a pilot hole. It really helps. After a few tense moments, I got the holes drilled. Now, I'm gonna install the wall plugs by gently hammering them in. Perfect. And I did the same thing on the other side as well. Now, let's install the L plates. Now, I'm placing the aluminium channel on the L plates, making sure I have it oriented correctly. I carefully pushed the L plate through the PVC blind and thank goodness the holes lined up perfectly. No rework needed. All I need to do now is to screw in the screws onto the aluminium channel. And it's done. Overall, aside from the drilling, the installation was pretty smooth. Here's what I think about these blinds. They provide privacy, keeping prying eyes away from your home. They are built to last and handle daily use easily. They say it's rain resistant too. It's super easy to clean, just wipe or dust them down. They let in soft natural light, making the space inviting. If you're willing to put in a little effort, buying this online is definitely worth it. The roll up and down mechanism with brakes work perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.